Okay friends, just open your settings application, then select camera from your left side. You can see here, swipe up, then you can see option of camera, tap on it. Now you can see option of show dictator text. It's an AI feature that enables to capture text by using camera or taking images. So this is very useful item because of we can use that as a text. We can use our camera application as a text scanner. So that's very useful. And iPad come with defaultly it is turned on. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.